sniffed. So it's basically a giant nose, and yeah. Ow. Alright, well, let's just go right out, and so grab the red key, and alright, so, we basically want to, um, we basically want, oh, there's the nose, there's the nose. Oh, I'm good, I'm good. I'm right across from you. Yes. Oh! Alright, safe. Safe, I'm good. Safe, I think. Just gotta be careful. Also, gamers, you see up top, we've gotta collect these boogers. And if we collect all 14, and we unlock the last item, ew. Nose. Oh, there's another booger here. There's another booger. I there's a man in the corner, I know. Yeah. He's chasing me. Alright. Alright, so 2 is pink. Oh, I found a booger. Nose is close. I'm in the theater. In the theater area. If there is. No, art room. Art room. Alright, so, red, pink, blue, I'm guessing. We still need to find the red door. Oh my god, oh my god, oh no, oh no, 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 no. You unlocked the red door? I got the oh, where's the safe zone? Safe zone. Safe zone should be around here somewhere. Oh, I'm good. I'm good. Alright, gamers. I think you went that other way, so. No, 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 no. Alright, that's good. Bro, I've got to find the safe zone. Alright. Okay, so red. Okay, so it's red, pink, and something. Red, pink, something else. Oh, found a booger. How many boogers do you have? 6. I don't know where you are. I mean, at the safe zone. Oh, alright, so it's red, pink, it's red, pink, orange. The code is red, pink, orange. Oh. Oh! Juked him, I juked him. Red, pink, orange. Red, pink, orange. Red, pink, orange. Oh, there's a shelf. Red. No! But I needed to restart it, so. No! Alright. Yeah. Alright. Let's grab the key. And I'm pretty sure the door to the red key is this way. Like, oh, what? Ah!
Oh God.
That was hilarious.
I was on one thread. He was like so close to me.
Oh my god! He's super fast. Oh, you need to get, you need to
Oh, I
get,
found a lock.
did?
Found it. Got it.
Oh,
Not there.
no.
You didn't. Wait, wait.
Gotta backtrack.
Oh, 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 oh. Okay.
I'm backtracking back to the safe zone. Safe zone! I got in the safe zone. It has to be this way then. Gamers, I am so sorry. I'm very confusing. I know.
Jeez. To be.
I know that the Ew! I just walked in on.
Oh. So pretty.
Bro.
Go to the Zion safe zone.
Ooh, I found the door. I found the door.
I was trying to show you that.
Ooh, a booger.
I was trying to show you that.
Ooh, yes, I need 7 more boogers. Oh, oh. Hey, first try, totally
But
first try.
sorry for people who do not say any bad words. That wasn't a bad one.
Ooh, yeah, booger.
Oh! I found some jail people. Just in a cave.
Bro.
Just in a cave.
Oh my god. Oh, this is the chainsaw, isn't it? Alright,
What?
um,
Inside?
um, um, like, um, as soon as you get out,
Oh.
oh god, um, 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 bro, I am so confused. Alright, so, as soon as you get out, you just go down, and then there'll be, like, a metal door, and then you just gotta use the chainsaw on that. There'll be a metal door somewhere. I don't know exactly where it is. So, green, pink, orange, right? I think that it's green, pink, orange. Green, pink, orange.
But
Yeah, that's it.
he's gonna have to.
I just found 3 whole boogers.
Lucky.
Um,
Does it like that?
it's, for the 3 boogers, it's red, pink, orange.
Scary me.
Where's the look?
What's that?
Oh, there's yellow. Oh, well, I already have that. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Gamer. gamers! No, he sneezed on me! No! I'm in. Where is the pink? Where's the pink door? Didn't you say you,
Oh, I found pink.
pink is this way, I'm pretty sure.
No!
Oh no! Now you gotta restart, like, all the way back. Red key. I found it!
Isn't that?
I have C4, I have C4. Alright, C4. I know exactly where this goes. Yes. Gamers! Yes, I'm in the room. Right there, right there, right there. I need one more booger, gamers. Come on, let's see it. Boom! Damn. Yes! This has got to lead to the last booger. The last booger, right? Yo, I got the last booger, gamers! Yo, let's go! It's the screwdriver. Gamers, I just need to make it back the safe zone. Oh my god, I was almost just caught. I was almost caught. I'm talking a language. No!
He's still
Oh
pink. Oh, I found the
no! Wait,
other thing.
why
I
was he
found
so
the other thing.
fast? Yeah. No! Why was he so fast? No, go, 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 go. I just locked myself in the corner. Alright, I'm good. Alright, so I still have 14 boogers. So I should be able to just go back to the place of where I blew up the wall. Wait, right? Gotta find it first. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. And, oh, I don't know. I don't, it's red, pink, orange. No. That's red, and then pink, and then orange. And there's 3 buggers in there. Okay, so, oh, okay, bro, what are you doing? You're rude. And I'm just dead. Thank you. Yeah, thanks. I'm not talking to you. How? How did he already find me?
Oh.
Bro, like stop chasing me. Here, man. Uh-oh. Like, more. Oh, I see you! I see you! The C4. Gosh, no, where's the C4? Where's the C4 room? It's in the middle, I think. Around the edge. Ah. The... Whoa! Hide!
Good?
I made it by him! I made it by him!
No way!
I made it by him!
I'm in the middle. I'm in the side.
Come on in. No! That was blocked off. Stop following me! I think this is it. This is it! Yes! No! I need to do all of it again! Kill me. No! Hey! And I kind of forget where the red key is. No, like the red key door. Should be somewhere around here.
I'm dead.
Dodged him? How long is this recording? Already 17 minutes?
17.
I feel like we might have to end it here soon, gamers. Alright, well... Oh! I'm fine, bro. I wanna die. Where did he go? Alright, well, gamers, thank you guys so much for hold up, let me just get safe really quick. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I want to thank you guys for 100 subscribers again. We are actually gaining on 140 subscribers, so let's get me to that. We're 9 subscribers away, and I just want to thank you all, and I will see you all next time. Thank you. Bye bye.